Do you know that the kind of life your reincarnator lived in his or her previous life determine how your life turn out to be now? It might affect you negatively or positively. Yes, today I will be talking about the life of your reincarnator affects you today. Negative and positive. How to handle the negative side. That is what I'll be talking about. As usual, a little housekeeping. See you after this break.
My kingdom, and I don't force anyone to enter or stay. However, those who enter must respect its rules. I respect those who respect me, and forget those who forget me. I am learning to give my absence to those who fail to understand the importance of my presence.
Welcome back. In case you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload in this channel, you'll be the first to get notified. Alright guys, please, in case you need any of our products or services like consultation, you can chat us on our only WhatsApp number on the screen. Distance is not a barrier. We can get to you wherever you are. Alright, I have not changed my number. My number still remains +234 9061281100 for people outside the country. Alright, very soon we start our membership class for those of you that need extra tutorship or mentorship in this journey. You do well. It will be affordable. It will do you good for you to join when I start, because there are a lot of things that I will not want to share here that I will share with you privately. All right, it all depends. If you want a monthly payment, you can. If you want weekly, you can, just to support the ministry to be going, because we need some assistance to be able to carry on. I do come out of my way to help teach you, even if no matter how tough my schedule is, I want to impact the knowledge I have to people, especially those people that are running their ministry or starting their ministry new. For you to know that only prayer doesn't solve issues. You need to attach it with some spiritual work and sacrifice. All right, guys. What happened to your life or what you're facing now is as a result of what your life were, how your reincarnator lived his or her life in her previous time. Please do not mind the noise in the background. Okay, I'll fix that. Some of you in your previous life, you were a musician. Some of you were farmers. Some of you were businessmen. Some of you were politicians. Some of you were king or queen. Yes. I have told you people, if you have not completed your life cycle, you will keep reincarnating until you complete it. If you like kill yourself, you will still come back to start from where you stop. And the worst thing about reincarnation is that you will not remember who you were. It's only through prophecy, a prophet or a prophetess, through consultation, spiritual reading, that is when they will tell you. Or if there is anybody that is alive then to tell you. It depends if you died early or young. Yes. And everything that is happening to you is your the oath you took before coming. Yes. The oath you took in your previous life, and some of you are still taking that oath now unknowingly. Maybe because of how your husband is treating you, you will say, I will not get married in my next world. You're taking an oath, but you don't know. Maybe because of the children you're having, they are giving you heartbreak. You say when you come to next world, you will not have kids. It will happen to you. You have already added to the one you said before coming. All those things will happen to you. That is why you should be mindful of what you say. Like as I was saying, when you were here, Most of you did a lot of evil and you died. You came back to reap what you sow. No amount of spiritual work will save you. No amount of prayer will save you. The law of karma exists. You must pay the due. You pay it to the fullest. It's only your good deed that will save you. That is why I urge every time, I urge people to do good. Not the one that will kill you, but do good to mankind. Anything that is not good, remove your, anything that affects Mother Earth, remove your hand from it. Live your life pure. Abstain from anything against the law of nature. Remove your hands there. Some of you, your childlessness is based on your oath of life, what you took before coming. Some of you, you being not married is the oath of life you took while coming. Some of you, not be able to find love is your oath of life. Though some of the time, all these things I'm saying, some of the time, human beings, evil people are behind them. It has remedy. Both the ones human did and the one you did. You said to yourself or you did. It has remedy. But the law of karma do not have remedy. You must pay the dues to the fullest. Like I said, it's only your good deed that will save you. Be mindful with what you said now. It can make you or break you in the future. Yes, it can make you or break you. You just thank God that there is remedy to some of those things. Be mindful of what you say. You see that negative words come to manifestation faster than good words. Know what you say to yourself. Live your life to the fullest. There is nothing worth dying for. There is nothing worth dying for. Do the ones you can do and leave the rest to God, to your sheep, and to the universe. The kind of lifestyle some of you lived, some of you were kidnappers, some of you were king guards that did abominable things against Mother Earth. You did unspeakable things to Mother Earth. Now you're reaping it. You're running from pillar to pole, looking for help. Some of you, you said when you come to this world, you're going to kill your mother. You see yourself killing your mother. Some of you, when you come to this, your previous life, you say when you come, you kill your wife or your husband. It doesn't happen just like that. Either something made you do that, or it was part of your oath of life. That is why when they gave birth to you in the olden days, they will go and check who reincarnated this way. If there is any evil thing they did, you did in your previous life, there is what we call Ibu or Itabu Onyowa. Itabu Iyowa. They will just do some rituals before they give you name. Mbeke, Mbori, Mwafu. I'm talking about Igbo and African spirituality. That is how they did it. It might be different in different countries, but it's just similar things. Some of you were midwife that commits one kind of crime, and you're suffering it here. You're suffering. This one is not when you die, you go to hellfire. No, you're not going to any hellfire. You'll be here. You will still reincarnate when the time comes. You will still wait for the time, you will still wait for the right time. You will come back here to face the wrath, to take payback. Some of you, your good deed, when you came, When you did not reap what you sow before dying, your good deed. When you come, happiness, you'll be happy, you'll be fulfilled, you live a life of fulfillment. It's not that you'll not be facing challenge as a human, but it will not be much. Yes, you will live your life to the fullest, get married, enjoy your life, your children, and go back when it's time for you to go back. And remember, there is number of times that you reincarnate, you stop reincarnating. You either be an evil spirit or a good ancestors that will be praying to, calling, pouring libation for you to seek for help for us, for you to help us over there, we that are here. Some, you see this animal you're killing, they are spirits and they are life. There are some human that came to this world in form of animal. You see the trees you're seeing. Some of the time there are trees, we that deal with herbs and roots and the back of trees. When you go to cut some trees, you see them bleeding. You see this tree bleeding. Yes. There are humans. That is why you talk to them, you offer to them. We that deal with herbs, there are rituals we did before we start going to plug herbs in the bush. And if you still go there, you still drop something for them. Talk to them before you plug them. Tell them what you want to use them to do. They will assist you. Make that person you're giving that herbs to be okay. Some of them are serving their karma through that means. Are you getting me? This world does not end. So if you have any question, you can drop on the comment section below what you want me to talk about. I will talk about. I'll be dropping video. Next video I'll be dropping next is about a requested video from my subscriber here. He said I should talk about covenant of virginity. I am piling up some things to make you digest it very well. So stay tuned, all right? If you have any teaching you want me to talk about, any topic you want me to talk about, you can comment here on the comment section. Tell me, I will talk about it. Where you need clarification about something or about life, I will talk about it. Let's make this channel fun to be with. Let's enjoy. We are all here to learn from each other. I didn't say I know it all, but the little knowledge I have, I will impact you with it. All right, like I said in the post I made, I'll be launching out my membership channel. All right, do well to join. We'll dig deep, we'll dive deep into it. That is the end of my teaching. In case you need any of our products or services, you can chat us on our only WhatsApp number. Distance is not a barrier. Remember, the spiritual controls the physical. Yes, there is no distance in the realm of the spirit. With some few words and some things, it will be granted. It might tarry, but it will come to pass. It depends on how we approach the matter. All right. Also remember that in the spiritual realm, they judge matter before they allow that thing to come to pass. They will decide if they should allow this thing or not. If they should allow this good thing or not, it will be judged before it will be settled. All right. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Please stay safe and enjoy the rest of your week. See you guys on my next video. I love you guys. Bye.